Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight body parts in CapCut on your fitness video. So if you want to make sure your viewers know exactly which muscles group you are targeting or the perfect form you are demonstrating, you need to highlight the specific body parts, and this is how you can do it. Just import your exercise video into CapCut, then just duplicate it like this, and on the overlay or the one on top you can just you can just split the part that you want to highlight. Okay, I want to highlight like here. Okay, until here, let's say. Now you can just click on the part that you split, this part that you want to highlight. So let's say this one, and go to mask, add mask. Now just choose the brush options in here and just brush it off the part that you want to highlight. So for example, I'm going to highlight here. Okay, it's still processing, and here I'm going to just erase the part. Okay, I'm going to just select this part right here. After you select that, here you need to go to the adjustment option, click on adjust, and here scroll down and increase the saturation all the way to 50, and also the exposure. Now click on the curves and find the red color. Now here I'm going to add the beads in here and drag it down just like this, and also bring this or drag it to here, so it will highlight the part that you mask. So it will go like this. So guys, that's how you can highlight body parts on your fitness video using CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.